The Mövenpick Petra Resort is a luxurious hotel nestled at the doorstep of the historic city of Petra. Boasting a seamless blend of modern comfort and traditional charm, this resort offers a captivating experience to those travelers exploring the wonders of Nabatean city. The resort's architecture harmonizes with the local ambience, featuring elegant design elements that pay homage to Petra's rich history. Guests can unwind in comfortable rooms and spacious suites, adorned with contemporary furnishings, ensuring a comfortable stay. Petra, the Rose City, stands as an enduring testament to the architectural brilliance and historical richness of the Nabatean civilization. As visitors walk along the towering sandstone walls, they are met with the grand revelation, the majestic Al-Khazna, known as the Treasury. This intricately carved facade, adorned with classical Greek and Egyptian architectural influences, is a breathtaking showcase of the Nabatean craftsmanship. Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world, captivating the imagination of travelers and historians alike. One of Petra's most iconic features is the entrance through the narrow winding gorge, known as the Sick. Founded around the 6th century BC by the Edomites and later flourishing under Nabatean rule, Petra reached its zenith as a major trading hub due to its strategic location along the caravan routes connecting Egypt, Syria, Arabia, and the southern Mediterranean. The city's prosperity was fueled not only by its advantageous geographical position, but also by the Nabateans' innovative water management systems, which ensured a reliable water supply for this arid region. Petra's significance transcends its architectural splendor. It also holds historical and cultural importance. The city played a role in various historical events, including its brief occupation by the Romans and its eventual decline due to changes in trade routes and natural disasters. Beyond the treasury, Petra unfolds a vast archaeological wonderland, revealing a cityscape of tombs, temples, theaters, and residential areas carved directly into the pink-hued cliffs. Awe-inspiring structures that paint a vivid picture of Nabatean ingenuity and artistic mastery. The interplay of sunlight on the rose-red cliffs, the intricate carvings that tell tales of bygone eras, and the sheer scale of Petra's archaeological marvels all contribute to an unforgettable journey through time in this unique desert landscape. In 1812, the Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt, disguising himself as an Arab, managed to obtain access to the closely guarded city, thereby unveiling Petra to the Western world. Since then, Petra has captured the fascination of explorers, scholars, and tourists, drawing them into its enigmatic allure. Little Petra, known as Siq al-Barid, unveils a fascinating segment in Jordan's archaeological story. Situated a short drive north of Petra, this hidden gem boasts a unique charm and historical significance. The iconic Siq at the entrance sets the stage for a mesmerizing journey, albeit on a smaller scale compared to Petra. The Siq sandstone walls tower overhead, guiding visitors toward intricately carved facades, staircases, and ceremonial halls. One of the most notable features is the Painted House, a structure adorned with vibrant frescoes and intricate paintings that provide a vivid glimpse into the artistic sophistication of the Nabateans. While lacking the grandiosity of Petra, Little Petra compensates with an intimate ambience, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the historical whispers of this ancient trading outpost. Little Petra, with its archaeological treasures and natural beauty, continues to be a source of fascination for historians and curious travelers alike.